Hey everyone, in this section, we'll build a third-person controller from scratch. So since we're making a third-person combat system, the first thing that we need is a third-person controller, and we'll build it from scratch in this section because building a third-person controller is a good way to learn the fundamentals of gameplay programming. So if you're someone who already knows how to make a third-person controller, you might feel like skipping this section, but I highly recommend you to watch this because in this section, I'll be explaining some important concepts like root transforms of the animation and how to set up the root motion of the animation and all that. So I recommend you give this section a quick watch, even if you are familiar with building a third person controller. And by the way, you may skip this if you have watched the third person controller section from my Unity Parkour and Climbing System course, because in that course, I am building this same third person controller. So if you have watched that, then you may skip this. Otherwise, I highly recommend that you don't skip this section. So let's get started.